Welcome to my channel. Welcome. I got 3 lipsticks and 1 lip gloss. My first impression is that the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this. Look at it. It's so cool. This one's the matte lipstick, and I got the shade Christy. It is a divine beige nude. I don't have a nude, so I was like, might as well get one. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. This is not too awkward for me to do. Oh, why are these so annoying? Oh, you're supposed to open. Oh my gosh, that's why it was hard. You open it with this thing. Oh my god, it's like a little present. Stop. It's like a little present. You open it. That's so unique. Oh my god. Stop. It comes with like this little thing. I thought it would have like a cute little message for me, but it's just the ingredients. Okay. Anyway. It is so beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Hope you guys can see. It has like a little lip. You guys could see the quality of it. It's just like if you compare the quality of this with like my Revlon lipsticks, you're like, oh wow, yummy. So that's the color. Okay, now for the fun parts. Now for the super fun parts. Can you guys see me like putting on? This is an interesting color. It's definitely something unique. Like, I usually don't go for these colors. Yeah. So the application is very smooth. Ooh. What do you guys think of this color? I like it. It's definitely different than what I expected it to be. It's less nude and it's like a little more beige. It's pretty though. What do you guys think? Oh wait, I forgot to read the description. Oh man. It's definitely super matte, so like if that's what you wanted, this is the lipstick for you. Ooh, it's really pretty. I feel like this would look good with a really simple blush, a really simple eye. I'm kind of like wonder what it would look like with like a super dark eye. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a look with this color. There isn't much like glitter or shine to it. Like, it's definitely a true matte. Yeah. The next lipstick is the BlitzTrance in Blitz Gold. This is another weird color, like, that I would never kind of even imagine wearing. It's like not a normal color I would wear. I just kind of wanted to try something new. I don't have a gold lipstick. I feel like I saw some on Pinterest and they were just so pretty, so I was like, let me try it. Here goes nothing. And on top of it, I also got like a crazy color. I got a gold lipstick. Let's do this. This one's not as like difficult to open as the other one. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah, so this one's gorgeous. It's like the same type of like packaging, except it's glitzy and gold, and it just also has that little lip detail, which is really cool. And let's try it. Let's just like get the right positioning. Let's see. Oof. 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 Do you guys see how gorgeous? How gorgeous. Oof. Beautiful. Oh my god, this is so cool. Holy shit. Do you guys see this? Oh my god. Do you guys see this? Oh, I don't wear it. What the hell am I gonna wear this? It's so pretty though. Honestly, this it looks like the picture that I saw that sold me. It's so pretty. Wow. This is way more pigmented. This is like guys, if you want to like do a super unique makeup look based on like, you know, character, maybe like Euphoria. I haven't seen Euphoria, but I'm guessing it includes this sort of like thing, like kind of like out there, electrifying, super glitzy. Kind of matches my hair. Oh my god. So, like the gold in my hair. You know, I'll get like a screen grab. Ooh. 10 out of 10. I'm in love with this. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm in love with this. I'm gonna tell you right now, I like the texture and like the consistency of the BlitzTrance over the MatteTrance. The MatteTrance was like drier. I don't think it was creamy, but this one is super creamy. Like, it's great. Oh my gosh, all the gold in my outfit. If you guys can't tell, gold is my favorite color. I love gold. I kind of just want to collect every gold lipstick now. Third lipstick that I got was the Club Kiss, and let's see if I love it. This one's like a magenta. Okay, so this one is a magenta with a pink pearl. Why are these so tricky? Same packaging, obviously. God, I'm just obsessed with this. No, that's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Do you see this magnificence? Gorgeous. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. There's a lot of like residue from the last one. Hopefully you guys can't see it on camera. Okay, so this one, I'm definitely gonna need a couple of coats of this one because You know what? It might be going on weird because of the aquaphor. Like the little emollient that I put on before. Let's try again. Round 2. Yeah. Ooh. You guys see this? At this point, I put on like 3. What do you guys think? I feel like this is such like a Bratz doll color. I could totally see this on a Bratz doll. Oh, it's so pretty. Definitely a magenta. Oh, I really like this. This is exactly what I expected it to be. It's pretty. Oh, it looks even better like in person. Guys, sorry, I just realized that this is dirty. Damn. Yeah, so this is Club Kiss. It's a magenta. I really like it. Okay, so the last lip product that I'm gonna try on for you guys is a lip gloss. It is the McGrath lip gloss in Blitz Gold. Yes, I got another gold product and I'm not sorry. Because honestly, so far the gold lipstick is my favorite. And I'm just gonna keep collecting gold because I love it. I love it. Oh my God, why is this so hard to open? Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. There's a lot of products in it. You can already tell I'm gonna be in love with this. Already tell. This is beautiful. Oof, oof, oof. This one's a gloss, so you can't really see as much of the gold, whereas, you know, the other one, it was just the pigment of the gold was so strong. This one, it's like a gold gloss, so it's like a little different.